dark side.
I'll tell the truth so you know that it's real.
Okay. Just working on some new graphics, some new ideas, new identity. Where did you leave this comment?
Which one?
The first one, I guess.
Twitch. First one was Twitch, second one was Twitter.
Huh. Nothing came through. Like, oh wait, what? Those are all three of those are different platforms?
Yes.
Oh, they're all coming through now.
Nice. Yeah, I see them.
But, I still don't know where they're coming from.
Right.
Because they don't show up in my stream chat. Multi-stream. Twitch, YouTube. Let's just start here. Okay, where did you send the guard next one from?
Twitter.
Okay, cool. So everything's already built into Streamlabs. I just needed to. Every time I would click the multi-stream tab, it never. It took a long time to load up the chat, so I couldn't see it, but I can see it now.
Okay, that's
And it
good.
shows me where it comes from too.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Oh.
Which one? Do you like any one of these? I mean, which one of these would you choose?
Far right costing.
For sure. All right. What do you say? Yeah, it's hilarious. Executive decision, dog. You were gonna find out eventually. I might change the garden font to be the like Eternal Garden design that we did, but I can't remember where it is. Yeah, I have it like here, but I feel like didn't I finish it off? Oh yeah, oh no, Eternal Music. I know what the font is though. I just don't. Can you upload fonts into Canva?
Yeah, you can. Actually, check and see.
Enigma, right?
Enigma. I uploaded them into Canva. It might have it.
It's not the right one.
This is what it
Manage uploaded fonts. Oh, here it is. Tan Enigma display.
is.
Silver Garden. Floor display. So why is it not showing up? Or how do you just find your brand fonts?
I think what you need
Wait a sec. Typing and then changing it?
yeah, type it out and then
Alright. Oops.
yeah, there you go. That should work.
See Tan Pearl. And the other one is floor. Honestly, I'm gonna leave this like this for now. I don't need to complicate anything. Da 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 dum, da 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 dum. No, no.
It looked like an ominous figure in the background.
Good. Is your Photoshop login Google or just your email? You sure? Pretty sure it's email password.
Sorry, yes.
Word. Can I have the code? Back in this thing like we never left. Here we are. Yo. Yo, yo.
Yo, yo.
Yo. Can you hear
What
me?
up, yo?
Can you hear me, bruv?
Yeah, I can kind of hear myself.
I think it might be my
I'm hearing
headphones feeding
code.
back a little bit. I need to use my molds, but I don't have the right 1/8 inch piece for it.
Mhm.
I could also just turn the volume of Discord down a little bit.
Okay.
I think that would help. Can you still hear yourself?
Yeah.
See, yeah,
Yep.
like a lot.
Yeah, I just hear myself like a second after.
How about now?
Check, check. Yeah, I still hear myself. It's like the volume doesn't seem to change.
How about now?
Check, check.
Oh, I know what's happening. I think I know what's happening. Try now.
Check, check. There you go. That's it.
I'm muted. Let me think about this. I have to mute myself for that to work. I'm thinking maybe I can. Oh. Okay, wait, talk now. Oh, I have my speakers on a little bit, sorry. I have headphones, so I didn't notice.
All good, all good.
No
That happens to me all the time.
way.
So I was about to have Axel introduce himself in the terminal.
Okay, cool. Here's what you can do. I'm doing some graphic stuff, but I have Discord on the screen, so if you like share your screen, like people
Okay.
can see what you got going on too.
All right. Yeah, can you see that?
Let me click into it real quick. Yep, we can see it now. We can see it now.
Cool.
Why can I hear myself all of a sudden?
That's weird. Oh, I wonder if it's because.
One.
Are you hearing me doubled?
No, just me.
It's because I'm sharing audio.
Yeah.
Weird.
How do we?
Oh my god.
But it wasn't doing this on the meeting.
Interesting.
This is a good one.
Let me do. I wonder if it does it if I do it through OBS. Actually, yeah, it would. It's gonna hear you. Interesting. What? This is wild.
Yeah. I don't hear myself anymore though. Do you hear me?
No, of course, because I'm not sharing my screen.
Well, don't share your audio then. You're not playing.
All right,
You're
bet.
not playing anything anyway.
Oh, yeah, you're right. That's still like what?
Yeah.
No, there's something we're not thinking about here. All right, there you go.
It'd be like
Click
that,
into it.
bro. Be like that, bro. Be like that. Now I can hear myself again.
Interesting.
Also, I'm not sure if you're doing anything on your screen. But I can't see it.
I can move over to the terminal right now.
Oh, okay, cool.
But you still hear yourself.
Why? Why? Yeah, I hear myself. Why?
Yeah, I
isn't,
hear myself.
Why isn't your your share screen isn't
Your
showing
share
up
screen
full
isn't showing
screen?
up full screen.
Well, because my Mac has weird dimensions.
Okay, no problem. I'll
No
just
problem. I'll just
cut it in my stream program.
program.
I still hear myself double.
Still hear myself double, by the way.
Dude, that is so annoying.
It's very dramatic.
Let me see. Okay, so once in the voice chat, this results in an apparent echo. It's not a true echo, it's the same microphone being transmitted twice. Adding an option of none to the list of audio devices will resolve this. Okay, so screen share. Oh my god, it's like a year old, so it doesn't even let me do that anymore. Bro, this update of Discord got fucked up.
You really hate to see it, man. You really hate to see that.
Alright.
Just drop that there. Clipping mask. Yes, sir.
So you're streaming right now. You could technically throw up your virtual camera in here now.
In Discord?
Yeah.
Yeah, I could. Want me to?
Yeah, just for now while I figure this out. I just like testing even what we can do, you know.
Oh, dang. I don't think I can because I'm already streaming. Wait, let's see.
Oh, I gotta do capture devices.
Also,
Oh, here we go. What's up?
the virtual cam will show only what's on my OBS or on Streamlabs.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to get. Like, I think that's gonna be the best way to do it, bro. Is us doing virtual camera and just controlling our scenes through OBS.
Right.
You know?
Yeah. So like full camera, switching to like full screen camera, and then switching to, you know, share screen.
Windows.
Yeah.
Yeah, everything.
That makes sense.
It was
The
just
only
way
problem
too
with that
funky
well, I guess
What's up?
because the virtual camera can accept audio too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just weird because I remember I used virtual camera on our last meeting and it was showing up twice. So
Not twice. Okay. Let me test that with virtual camera.
da 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 da. No, yeah. All right, what's going on?
Why won't virtual camera work? Oh, here we go. All right, am I streaming? Do you see my screen?
I can't see anything yet. It's just Pinwheel. Pinwheel City.
Okay.
No. No. Whoops. Oof.
Your stream currently has reduced video or audio quality. This may be due to. Why isn't it working? What FPS are you at? 30?
Yeah. Doo-doo. Yeah. Hey Claire,
Yeah.
how does audio sound on your side?
Can you talk a little bit?
Yo. Pete, say something. Say a couple things.
Yo, check. 1 2 1 2. Hey, 1 2 1 2.
All right, good.
You're coming in on the right side in my headphones.
Yeah, for some reason my Streamlabs does that. Let's see if we can fix. This is becoming a Streamlabs troubleshoot session. This is great. Yo. Okay, it should be fixed now. Can you check now, Claire?
Yeah, you're good.
Cool.
Pizza.
Yeah. Pete, are you still trying to figure out your visuals?
Yeah, bro, because what's happening, I mean, I can obviously share. I mean, the issue is that I share my screen and that you're hearing yourself. Like, that's weird. Like, that hasn't happened, you know?
Well, you could just turn your audio off,
Like,
right?
yeah, I guess so. But it's just like, that shouldn't happen, you know? Like, I've shared my screen plenty of times with so many people all the time.
Right. And
So I'm like, what the
and
fuck?
they don't hear themselves.
Yeah, you know?
Where are you getting wait, where are you getting my audio from? Just Discord?
Your audio is just, yeah. When I go to share my screen, I wonder if it's like,
Maybe you have to
Oh,
share a
that's never
specific,
happened.
instead of sharing like your full computer, you just share the specific windows that you're trying to tackle. You know what I mean?
yeah, that's what I did. I
Oh,
just did share this one screen here.
oh, because
Actually,
you're
if I
sharing
do share,
Discord.
yeah. So let me just share everything. Let me just share
Yeah.
like the entire screen. Here we go. All right, how about now?
Yo, yo. I can't hear nothing. Let's go. You know I'm in
Let's
the
go.
studio. I can flow. You know I'm with my
All
bro.
right,
Okay, we
we
see your
launched.
screen. Everything serene. Everything feels good.
We launch Axel.
Launch the boy.
See
Oh,
what
fix
the
you.
boys feeling like. See what the boys feeling like. Whoa.
Oh, Jesus.
I hate that he always goes with your friendly neighbor.
That he feels like your friendly neighbor.
It's just the choice of words.
Yeah, I agree.
We'll see. We'll see how often he does it, but I want to see if it's like somewhere. Like, I don't know. I wonder if neighborhood is somewhere in the language. But
Our friendly neighbor Axel. Hey boy.
also in the past, it's done Asha Forest with a capital. Right now, it's not. So this last iteration, I was getting it to just be more creative because it felt like last time, every time I asked it to collaborate with me, it was like, nah, I gotta protect everything.
Just gotta protect the garden, huh?
Yeah,
I respect that. Truly.
that was cool. That was cool. But yeah, now it's talking, and you can ask it to make images. But it's gotta be very like, actual create this, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, what you want to do? You want to tune him a little bit? How was tuning TK?
A nightmare. A nightmare, bro. Because they have that bug that just keeps deleting work. So I actually was
Yeah.
supposed to post about it, but I did that process 4 times.
Yeah, after the second one, I definitely just started writing all of my answers down on the side, bro. Cause fuck that.
Nightmare.
All right. So what? You want to tune any of this?
What do you feel like needs to change on Axel right now? I'm doing this rebrand stuff, but
Okay. I think to me, we have to go see. I mean, we just have to have more conversations, anyways. This is like the first time I've talked to him.
oh, okay.
So let's just test some things out. Okay. All right. Claire, I see you on Discord. You should say something to Axel. Oh, wow. Let me see. Yeah, there you go. What's good?
Processing excitement.
Processing excitement.
Yeah.
I love the little emojis though. It definitely adds a little more character to it. Wow, that's a lot. And also, so the way that he reacts is if you tell it like, "Hey, yeah, like I'd prefer you to keep your answers a certain way," it'll remember that from with that person in that channel. But it won't like globally follow that, right? Like if you asked Axel the same question, if like they remember something on Telegram, it's not
Yeah.
gonna remember.
Oh, that's dope. I think.
Yeah. No, I mean for now it's fine. They're just kind of working through what are the limitations and what do they actually want to spend power on right now.
Yeah. I don't love the R on this.
You started talking to me?
Just talking to the ethos.
Yeah,
You see this?
Yeah. I think it's because I think it might benefit from like a simple centerpiece versus like the overlap that's going on.
On the R?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was thinking maybe just using the original font.
You could also like, if you wanted to keep reading the original font.
These are two fonts that are layered on top of each other.
Got it. Yeah, if you wanted to keep, you could also like do a quick Photoshop and just get rid of the center line that's happening there. That might still be fine.
This right here? What center line?
The center is like swoop, like the black swoop that's happening in the center.
Okay.
If you were to like Photoshop, yeah, exactly. If you were to Photoshop,
Alright. Let's see. I need to find the higher resolution of this though. I don't know where. Bet.
None crazy. There's funny.
Hey, y'all know got a real lab coat. And I'm gonna be really in the lab.
Yeah, I've seen this glitch where they'll answer like twice at a time sometimes. From the third thing. I don't think Axel knows about Dark Side.
Say it again.
No, Claire's asking Axel about Dark Side, but Axel doesn't have anything about Dark Side right now. But we could inject it, which could be fun.
I think, yeah, Axel's understanding of dark side should be like, because Flora essentially would know everything about me. So it could be very much so like dark side isn't what you think, you know, like still cryptic, but it's like they're known for doing really, really bad things, but I sense something noble, you know, or whatever. I sense like a greater purpose.
Do you want to give it anything else? Like, is it like, should I go somewhere in the Notion and pull some more language for Dark Side, or do we just want to keep it very vague?
Yeah, I feel like we haven't really written out a lot, but if you go in Notion and search like dark side like organization, you should be able to find like, you know, dark side is referred to as like a TR-ist organization. But the truth of the matter is that they're like awakening. They're like the catalyst for Arcadian awakenings. So
All right, I'm in the Dark Side page in the full world build. I can inject what's in here. Well, I think
what do you think about this? So like, I think the one like very clear milestone for this is getting to the point where we have like, let's just, I don't know, throw a number out there, like 60 different agents, right? That represent all these different characters. And so my perspective is that they, in theory, would communicate with one another, right? And eventually we could have this kind of never-ending conversation that's just like happening between all of them. But obviously, like certain ones don't, like there wouldn't be any communication because they're just not in the same place. So it could be interesting to like actually finally bring in that concept of like the different planets and those different planets being channels. So like certain bots could only communicate in certain channels. And that's what kind of keeps everything like together, you know? So like, I don't know, random kindred person or like Red as currently constructed probably isn't talking to somebody like on Iris or whatever. But let's just say we had some type of story that was already happening there. We would probably just have like an Iris channel with just like Iris agents that are just like talking to one another. But like Red wouldn't be able to have that conversation because she's not a part of that whatsoever. I mean,
That's crazy.
Yeah, that'd be
That's
fun.
basically like the beginning of the simulation.
yeah.
Like you're creating spaces for them to all exist.
Right.
but not like cheat the reality of the story.
Of the story, yeah.
Like it's actually following the reality of the story. That'd be super like that sounds doable to go.
Yeah, it just would take time, but it's definitely doable. And I think we just have to make a decision like, do we want to follow the story chronologically and update the agents as we go, or do we want to just like take all of the information that we have at one point? Like let's say we finish like Red, right? Take all the information that we have and dump it into X number of characters. I guess that has to be chronological.
Yeah, I think so.
The other thing is, what's like, how do you explain it? How do you maintain that like never-ending conversation? You know,
About where they could all live.
because it's not gonna, like, it's gonna kind of cycle through.
Well, I think if we're able to get to a point where we give it enough information, like in terms of its back, in terms of the lore and the backstory and everything, then they should always have a repository of information that they maybe haven't talked about before. I think also there could be like one character who's kind of like a god figure who just knows everything about everyone, and maybe instead of like the story carrying itself on in real time in the Discord, it's more like all of the characters are in there like maybe this is a place that they come to like find answers. So they're kind of like talking to this figure, and the figure is like giving them like clues to what, you know. It can kind of go either way, but I feel like we should be able to give it enough information to where they all know like this is the course of my life and like this is what has happened, and we're just talking about it. And I think eventually the conversations should just turn more into like philosophical conversations just based on the experiences, you know?
So, can I show you something real quick too?
Yeah.
So there's there's definitely the concept of honey and wisdom keeping and stuff like that, right? If you go to this artisan's page, let me show you this. You see my screen?
Yeah.
Do you see Zero Born?
Yep.
Or so this project also has a bot that people interact with, and it looks like it like logged conversations, right? But it won't tell you information on like the user, and what people do is they vote on the conversation, right? To get moved up this list, right? And it says random memory from Zero Bro. Hi, right? Parent connection, public. You know, it just kind of starts diving into the conversation, right? Which is really interesting because like we don't know if this is actual real interactions or if this is just like two bots talking, right? I mean, at least from what we're looking at, right?
Yeah.
So I think it'd be interesting to have something like this, right? Where, like you said, each channel is like a different conversation, but I think we have to just be very like mindful of like what that conversation is.
So you're saying kind of like prompt the conversation beforehand and just let it roll?
Yeah, exactly.
I feel like it'll end up being a little more chaotic than that, which might be okay. Well, let me ask you this. What would it take to have Axel talk to my agent like right now?
Bring up your agent, see what happens. I think they'll talk. I'm pretty sure they'll talk. I think I've seen them talk. Let me see. I could also even bring in Kyo.
Da, 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 da. Yeah. I might stop the stream and start it over. Oh, no, never mind. I could change the title. Great.
Can I add Q in here?
Yeah, go for it.
Let's see how chaotic this gets.